Did you know that in the last year alone, the number of people earning passive income grew by over 40%? That's right, more people than ever are making money while they sleep. Now, what if I told you financial freedom isn't just for the rich, tech geniuses, or Instagram celebrities? Today, I'm sharing one surprising passive income strategy that you probably haven't heard of. And trust me, it's a game changer. So here's a question. What would your life look like if you didn't have to worry about your next paycheck? And stick with me, because these 5 strategies could change the way you think about making money, and they just might change your life in 2024 and beyond. Hey, I'm Damir. And in today's video, we're diving into passive income money that keeps coming in even when you're not working. Now, the best part, you don't need to be rich to start. In fact, some of these strategies can be done with little to no upfront cost. Whether you've got a little cash or none at all, you can start building passive income today. But, and this is important, none of these are get-rich-quick schemes. They will require time and effort, especially in the beginning. For example, with affiliate marketing, you could start earning $500 a month. Print on demand, well, it's possible to bring in $1,000 if you play your cards right, but you gotta put in the work. Here's my challenge to you. By the end of this video, pick just one strategy and try it out for 30 days. You might be surprised at how quickly things can grow. Before we jump into the strategies, let's talk about something crucial, and that's diversification. One of the best things you can do for long-term financial security is to diversify your passive income streams. Relying on just one source of income, even if it's passive, can be quite risky. By building multiple streams, you're creating layers of financial protection. So, as you listen to these strategies, consider how they can complement each other and fit into a bigger, more secure financial picture. First up is affiliate marketing. And now, I'm not talking about needing millions of followers here. You can make decent money with just 1,000 engaged followers. In fact, I know a guy, and he's a content creator, who turned 1,500 Instagram followers into 1,000 a month by promoting some eco-friendly products that aligned with the audience's values. The key is focus on engagement and not on the follower count. As we already know, you can have like a bunch of fake followers and, have nothing with them. Now, here's the overview of a couple of steps on how to get you started in this. First, you need to pick a niche, preferably something that you're passionate about. Think fitness, tech gadgets, beauty, or sustainability. Whatever excites you and whatever ignites your passions in you. Now, you need to create content consistently. Post at least 3 to 4 times a week, and that content should be educational and engaging. Think of product reviews, tutorials, personal stories, and whatever comes to your mind that could provide some value to the audience. And you should focus on platforms like Instagram, TikTok, or even YouTube. Now, when you have some traction going and when you have some followers, you should start with some beginner-friendly affiliate platforms. Think of Amazon Associates, ShareSale, Shopify affiliate programs, or Etsy affiliate programs. These programs offer you access to a wide range of products, and the commissions can add up really quickly, and that's just for the beginning. Last step is to disclose your affiliate links. Be transparent. Tell your audience that you'll earn a commission, but also that you're recommending products you truly believe in. This builds trust and keeps things legal. Major websites like Wirecutter have built their entire business model around affiliate marketing. Their in-depth product reviews are full of affiliate links, generating revenue while providing value to their audience. And here's a tip for you. TikTok is currently exploding for affiliate marketing due to its organic reach. A short, engaging video could go viral and eventually spike your earnings. Next up, we have print-on-demand merch. Now, you don't need to be a designer to create products that sell. Some of the best-selling items are simply text-based designs with catchy phrases or quotes. And platforms like Etsy make it super easy to sell, especially when you integrate with something like Printful for automated fulfillment. And here are a couple of steps to get you started with this. So first, you need to have your designs. You can use something simple as Canva. If you don't know what Canva is, it's a user-friendly free design tool that even on free plan has a lot of options and can get you where you want to be. You basically don't need any design experience for this. Just combine simple fonts with a few bold colors. For example, black text on white backgrounds can sell really well. But before starting the design, you should really research the trends. You can use something as Google Trends or Etsy search feature to find out what's actually popular. Think of things like seasonal trends like Christmas, Halloween, or something that's really niche specific like fitness, gaming, or travel. After you research your trends and have your designs, you need a place to sell them. And the easiest way is to set up a store on Etsy. You should integrate it with something like Printful. And this way, you don't have to worry about inventory, shipping, or customer service. Printful will take care of all of that. After you have your store, somebody actually needs to see it. So you should promote your store. You can share your designs on visual platforms like Instagram and Pinterest. And actually what you can do, you can create mock-ups to show how the products would look in real life. One good example of that is actually Threadless. And that's one of the first platforms to start using print on demand. And they grew into a huge brand by allowing artists to create designs that get printed and sold on shirts, posters, and more. They've demonstrated how a simple idea can grow into a thriving business. Social media trends can be a goldmine for inspiration. Brands like Redbubble have capitalized on meme culture, creating funny, shareable designs that really go viral. Always keep an eye on what's trending and how you can incorporate that into your designs. Now, you might say, dropshipping is so 2018, or dropshipping is dead, or whatever you want, but dropshipping has evolved. And in 2024, the key is to combine it with a strong content strategy. This strategy allows you to sell products without holding any inventory, but the twist is creating content to drive sales. One successful entrepreneur built a six-figure business selling eco-friendly kitchen products by creating content that showed the benefits of a sustainable lifestyle. Now, you shouldn't randomly dive into dropshipping without any plans, so here's a simple layout on how you can start. First, you need to pick a niche. You should focus on a specific audience, maybe like the guy from the example, eco-friendly products, or maybe pet accessories or office gadgets. Once you find your niche, you need a place to sell your products, your source products, and Shopify is the best place for that. Shopify is a beginner-friendly platform, and you can easily set up your online store. It integrates well with dropshipping apps like DSers, Pocket, or CJ Dropshipping. These apps allow you to import products directly into your store and fulfill orders automatically. DSers, for example, is known for its bulk ordering feature, while Pocket gives you access to fast shipping suppliers from US and Europe. Now, after you have your shop ready on Shopify, you should choose your products, and you should choose them in a way that they align with your niche and create a cohesive brand identity. Make sure the items complement each other. For example, if you're choosing on eco-friendly living, you could sell bamboo toothbrushes, reusable straws, and biodegradable soap. Now, same as for print on demand, somebody needs to see your products. And this is the key, creating a content to promote. Use social media platforms like TikTok, Instagram, YouTube to create engaging content. Share product demos, lifestyle tips, and educational posts that position you as an expert in your niche. Many successful niche dropshipping stores focus on a specific target audience and build their entire brand around that. For example, eco-friendly living, pet accessories, or minimalist home decor stores have found success by just sticking to a niche and scaling their business by providing valuable content. Well, now, once you're generating consistent sales, you can reinvest your profits into something like Facebook and Google ads to scale the business up. Quick question, out of these three strategies we covered so far, which one are you most excited to try? Now, let's dive into the next strategy, and it's a personal favorite. Creating digital products is one of the most scalable ways to earn passive income. You make it once, and it can sell over and over again without any extra work. Think ebooks, templates, or online courses. One savvy content creator built an entire business selling a $15 fitness guide, and it now generates thousands of dollars a month. Now, before you start selling digital products, there are a couple of steps you need to cover so that you don't start blindly. First, you need to validate your idea. Before diving in, validate your product idea. Survey your audience or use platforms as simple as Google Forms to see what problems people need solved. Then, after validating your idea and creating your digital product, you can host it on platforms like Gumroad, Teachable, or even Udemy, depending on what you're offering. Gumroad, for example, is great for selling digital files. Teachable is perfect for online courses, and Udemy has a huge audience looking for educational content non-stop. Now, the next step is really important, and it's building an email list. You want to build an audience to market your digital product. You can use tools like MailChimp to create landing pages, collect email addresses, and send regular newsletters to keep your audience engaged and informed about new products or offers. Now, when creating your product, you should start with something small, like an ebook or a simple template. Don't overcomplicate things. Your goal is to solve a specific problem for your audience. And your sales pages for that product, they need to be compelling. Use strong headlines, clear benefits, and include testimonials if possible. Make sure to emphasize the value of your product. Here's a good example. Masterclass is a well-known platform where experts in various industries create high-quality courses. While the format is different, the principle is the same. You create once, and the product can generate income for years. Here's a tip for you. Offer a limited time discount for early buyers. This can create urgency and it can boost initial sales. Finally, we've got rental arbitrage. This strategy allows you to make money on Airbnb without owning any property. So this is how it goes. You rent a property long-term, furnish it, and then sublet it on Airbnb for short-term stays. But before you start, here are a couple of steps that you need to cover. And the first one is to check local laws. Make sure short-term rentals are allowed in your area and get necessary permits. Next, you need to find the property. Look for apartments in high-demand areas, near tourist attractions or business hubs. Next, you should negotiate with landlords. Be upfront about your intentions. Some landlords might be open to letting you sublet it if you offer a higher rent or sign a longer lease. Then, after you complete all of these steps, you should furnish and optimize your listing. Use high-quality photos and write an engaging description. Include local tips or offer unique experiences to stand out. Some of the most successful Airbnb listings include tree houses, tiny homes, or themed apartments. These stand out because they offer unique experiences that travelers can't easily find elsewhere. Now, you should always aim to make your life easier, and you can automate guest communication and booking with tools like Hospitable and to make your listing management more hands-off. All right, drum roll please, because I saved the best for last. The bonus strategy that ties everything together. And it's one you might not have considered. It's content creation and engagement on social media. Here's the truth. Without consistent content and real engagement with your audience, none of the strategies I've mentioned would be as effective. Your success in passive income largely depends on how well you can connect with people and offer value through content. Content creation builds trust and authority. It helps you establish a brand, share your journey, and connect with your audience on a personal level. Whether you're sharing tips on Instagram, creating YouTube videos, or starting a blog, the goal is to provide value and engage with your community. This engagement is what drives people to click on your affiliate links, buy your products, or book your Airbnb. And here's the thing, you need to be consistent with your content. You need to post regularly on your chosen platform, whether it's TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, or even LinkedIn. And you need to engage with your audience, respond to comments, ask questions, and start conversations with your followers. And don't just sell, educate, entertain, and inspire your audience to keep them coming back for more. Remember, content creation is the glue that holds all these strategies together. Without it, you're leaving a lot of potential on the table. So get started, stay consistent, and watch your passive income stream grow. And that's a wrap. 5 passive income strategies that could change your life in 2024 and beyond. Now it's time for you to take action. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. My next video is going to dive into advanced strategies for scaling your passive income streams and taking them to the next level. Let's crush 2024 together. Thanks for watching and see you next time.